Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a good old-fashioned unboxing, but the premises of this video are a little bit different. Today we are unboxing my first PR package from a brand, and that brand happens to be, hold on, the big box. Good Molecules. So, Good Molecules was kind enough to send me some stuff, as you can see, but actually met the, I guess, brand representatives of the brand. I met Kristen and her partner, and both of them were so nice and so receptive of all the products I've used for the brand. I gave them a little bit of feedback about the brand, and yeah, we hit it off. They were so nice, and they were kind enough to add me to their PR list, so they sent me a bunch of stuff here, and I am now on the Good Molecules PR list, which is just amazing. This is my first official PR list listing, and I'm so excited, and I couldn't be happier to have a brand like Good Molecules be on my side. So if you want to see what is inside this box, then keep on watching. So, this is a pretty, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this in frame. No, probably not. But it's a pretty decent sized box. And I opened her up. And there's, of course, a lot of bubble wrap in it. Now, I opened it, but I have not looked into it. So, we're going to look into it together. So, we have bubble wrap. And we have, you know, packing paper, lots and lots of packing paper. Oh, and we have, looks like the first couple like products on top. So this, so it looks like, okay, so there's a couple products on top. I can show you. So there's a couple products on top, but then I think there's like there's like another box under that. So let's start with the first couple products on top, shall we? On top, we have the Clarify and Cleanse Bar. So this is a face wash, I'm guessing? So this says, soap-free cleansing balm formulated with salicylic acid, kaolin clay, and cacao powder to help maintain and clear complexion for acne-prone skin. Ooh, I love that because, as you guys know, I am pretty acne-prone, and I could use something like this. So one thing that Kristen went over with me on from Good Molecules is that the back has all the ingredient listings. And so a little bit of a cool note is they actually take feedback from, I guess, reviews or just overall feedback, and they actually implement it into their products. Now, not a lot of brands do that. Good Molecules, however, does. So if you purchase anything from Good Molecules, you can see here, so it says like version 1.2, and it says increased salicylic acid, removed plastic wrapper. So these are like the notes and feedback that they have gotten, and they implemented it into the product itself. So that is so cool of a brand to actually take feedback and implement it into the product. Ooh, so we have the good old Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. Now, I'm sure you have seen this all over TikTok. This is such a good, like, eye cream. It, of course, helps energize the under eye. It helps depuff, hydrate, does all the good things. One more time, so, like, all the ingredients are on the side here. And I love, so this is definitely going to go into my rotation. We have the Glycolic Exfoliating Toner. Now, I love me some glycolic acid, and I love a toner. So I think this will also be something I will add into rotation. This is what it looks like. It's in a glass jar because sustainability. And yeah, so I'm definitely, what toner am I? I'm using the Clinique toner right now. So when I'm done with that, I'll add this into the rotation. But I love this. I love a glycolic acid. Again, all the ingredients on the side. Love. Ooh, so pineapple exfoliating powder. Now, this was something that Kristen and her partner was telling me about. He told me that he really likes this, and so he wanted me to give it a try. So I love it, an exfoliating powder. Of course, pineapple gives you enzymatic exfoliation as well. So you're gonna get a couple different types of exfoliation with this product for, oh, it's a rice powder. So it's like a, I think it's gonna actually be like a powder. Oh yeah. So again, glass jar, but this is the product here. And if the glass is a little dark, but I think you can see in there that it is like a powder. So cute. Can't wait to try that. Definitely, I think I'll add this into the rotation a lot sooner because I'm actually finishing up my exfoliator. So this will be in rotation pretty soon. Ooh, the BHA Clarified Gel Cream. So Kristen's partner, I'm so sorry I forgot his name. If you watch this video, I'm so sorry, but you're great. I know that. But he suggested this to me since I am more acne prone. So this is a clarifying treatment. It's formulated with salicylic acid, Centella acetica extract to help maintain clear complexion. So this seems kind of like a spot treatment product to me that I can use like in an area. So I'll have to figure this one out, but definitely love that. Love anything to keep the complexion clear. So happy about that. And this is their new product, I think. This is the discoloration correcting body treatment. So I think they just released this, if I'm correct. Maybe I didn't. I'll throw it up if they did, and if they didn't, then I'm so sorry. But this is formulated with centyl trixamate. Oh my god, I cannot say any of that. So this is it says it right there, formulated with another product right there. But so this is just going to, it's a first of its kind anti-aging depigmentation active to help achieve naturally even skin tone by delivering tranexamic acid into deeper layers. So a little bit of information on there as well. But cool. So love that. Of course, body is important. Body is something that I always kind of neglect half the time, but I gotta get better at it. This will definitely help. So that was what was on top. So now there's another. Okay, so pause. So this is the other box they sent me. So it says stay cool. Good molecules right there. So thank you, Good Molecules. So let's open her up, shall we? So we have our trusty eyebrow razor because I don't have scissors in here. We're gonna cut into this. And I wonder what's in here. So I hope it'll be more oh my god, I just saw what's on the side. Hold on. You guys are gonna flip. It's a skincare fridge. Oh my god, it's a Good Molecules skincare fridge. Look! Oh my god! Look at it! It is so cute! And it's spring. Oh my god! Okay. So, here's the cord. And I guess some instructions. But look at it! It is so cute. It's like snap shut so it doesn't like open. So spring opens. Stop it. And it says Good Molecules on it with their little pattern. This is so cute. I cannot believe this. Good Molecules, you're so good to me. Thank you so much. But has a little handle to pick it up. This is so cute. Oh my god, I can't believe this. This is adorable. There's some settings in the back, but I cannot believe. So that was everything in the box, actually. So this is a little bit of a quick unboxing. So they gave me a bunch of product and, of course, the skincare fridge. So I'm definitely going to... And I've been wanting a skincare fridge so bad for so long, but I just, like, could not justify paying the price for it. And now I don't have to. Look at it. Look at it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Look at it. Look at it. Oh my god. Okay. that was extremely exciting, and I'm so happy. Again, thank you so much, Kristen, to your partner that I do not remember the name. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. But thank you so much for the team at Gold Molecules for sending me these products. Thank you so much for listening to me as not only a consumer but as an employee that would sell your products. Thank you so much for a brand that actually cares about customer feedback, that cares a lot about the efficacy of their products as well as sustainability. Thank you so much to Good Molecules. Tell me, guys, what are you most excited for me to use? I definitely am so excited to use the pineapple exfoliating powder as well as the BHA gel cream. So these are products I'm definitely gonna add into rotation hopefully soon. And again, thank you so much, Good Molecules. I couldn't thank y'all enough. But if you liked today's video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I, of course, am back on my regularly scheduled programming. I will be here every single Wednesday. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.